Croeso. Hello, my name is Ali D'Souza. I am the head of drama performance here at Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. We are offering a suite of 2-year MFA courses in directing, writing drama, movement direction, and voice, speech and text coaching. They're ideal for graduates who want to deepen their practice and for early career creatives who want to retrain. Our MFA courses provide career-ready training and experience. We have strong links with many institutions across the UK, like the Royal Shakespeare Company, the National Theatr, Bristol Vic. We've also got lots of wonderful partners here in Wales, such as Theatr Clwyd, the Sherman Theatr, Welsh National Opera, Welsh National Theatr and the Wales Millennium Centre.
At the moment, we are very lucky to be in Wales, I think, if you're part of the creative industry. We have the BBC, we have many productions being made for internationally renowned companies, HBO, Netflix. It's the right time to be in Wales, and the fact that they are here says that we need to be here, and it's even better that the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama is here.
On the MFA in voice, speech and text coaching, you will gain the skills to become an industry-ready voice and dialect coach in a wide range of contexts, including television, film work, the theatre, and in digital media and in a lot of actor training institutions as well. You'll gain the confidence to work with professionals, also with student actors. They will be looking to you for guidance to make their performances as compelling and as memorable as possible, so that will allow you to develop your own practice. You'll grow a network of contacts through internal and external placements, meaning you'll be working with a lot of industry professionals, and we bring in people who will give you masterclasses and workshops as well, so it will really help to grow your network. You'll graduate with real-world experiences and professional projects on your CV.
I love the term career ready, and I think students graduating from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama really are career ready.
The Royal Welsh College is highly regarded as one of the best schools in the UK. If you come here, you'll be working in a highly supportive environment, opportunity to have one-to-one tuition, very small class sizes, lots of contact with your head of department. As a conservatoire and an arts centre, we do over 500 performances a year, and you can be part of that.
There's such a strong commitment to the students here, and really, really encouraging every student to bring out what is uniquely theirs. It's what is you that we can hone to its maximum potential. It's a really great place to train.
We welcome students from all over the world, and these programs are designed to harness all these different perspectives and identities. So together we can be a creative, inspiring, cultural, wonderful community. So we look forward to welcoming you to the college soon.